Glenn Patterson is in for Michelle Scarena tonight. He's got the latest. Glenn?
Well, unfortunately, we'll have a couple more days of heat and humidity around the region, with the moist flow around it producing scattered showers and thunderstorms around it. So not only will we be putting off the fireworks, but Mother Nature might be putting off the fireworks before we have our cold front coming down from Canada, producing less humidity. Temperatures are going to be dropping like a rock. This is a lot of cold air that's going to be coming down into our region and is going to be forcing a core of cold air right over those lakes. And here around Oswego and central New York, we know what that means. It means lake effect snow. Too near to Tug Hill, there could be some thunder snow involved with that. But as we go on into early Friday morning, that lake band will be moving down south. You're going to see the possibility of some rain and snow here on campus, but that snow will be inland, and it's going to continue moving back down before possibly coming back up north later in the day. Friday's temperature is about 38 degrees, and there is that rain and snow showers. Again, inland, more snow than rain. Warm air coming up from the south ahead of our system that's right here. And that system is going to be interacting with the Gulf of Mexico to bring up a lot more moisture for us come Tuesday. But before that, we have to deal with our warm air. Again, more southerly flow, more warm air. So that's what we're going to deal with for tomorrow.
Now to Glenn Patterson for your first look at weather.
Thanks, and it's very unfortunate to hear about the Hurricane Noel hitting New England, but a little bit closer to home, we don't have a hurricane approaching us at all, but we do have some much cooler air, possibly the coolest air of the season approaching us, and with that, here in central New York, let's take a look at the graphics. We have the lake effect snow components setting up for our region. And basically, if you're new to central New York, we have very cold air that moves over the lake. The lake is around 55 degrees right now, and in response to that, picks up moisture and throws that moisture over the land, be it rain, which is happening tonight, or snow, which we expect is going to be happening later on Tuesday night into Wednesday for our area. But for tomorrow night into Tuesday, the lake effect should mainly be rain in our area, some snow in the upper Great Lakes and the upper Great Lakes of Michigan, where they're expecting over 6 to 12 inches of snow. Very bad situation out here near St. Louis, some very heavy ice, and near Oklahoma City as well. Tornado watches and winter storm watches at the same time down there. So here's that track that we think is going to go along. And plowable snow, well, probably not for our region. Good evening, Oswego County. I'm meteorologist Glenn Patterson with your weather. Again, tomorrow is going to be a pretty nice day. It's going to be a little bit chilly. What we have going on outside right now is we have a low pressure system that's scooting by to our south, giving some snow showers to northeast Pennsylvania and southeastern New York State. That's not going to affect our region anytime soon. It's a storm system coming in after that that's going to affect us for Thanksgiving. 32 degrees, so it's literally freezing outside right now. Partly cloudy skies, and the dew point's holding at 20, so our temperatures could drop quite a bit tonight. I originally had 30 degrees as the forecast low. I dropped it down to 26 in lieu of seeing that the temperatures were dropping so quickly. Around the state, New York City is at around 44 degrees. Glens Falls is very chilly, 21 in Plattsburgh, 23, 28 in Syracuse. Over here in Jamestown, 32 degrees and 35 in Buffalo. And here's that storm system that I was telling you about. It's scooting down to our south. That's, again, not going to affect us. What's going to be affecting us is a warm front that you can see right here. And that's going to be pushing in for later on Tuesday, and that'll be giving us those showers, especially early on as we get into the travel mode to go back home. Now here's a Weather Tab satellite, and you can see that storm system right here that's going to be pushing into our region. And this darker area right here is just some dry air, which meaning, again, tomorrow is going to be a pretty nice day outside, just a little bit chilly. After that, we have to deal with all of this, and that's going to possibly give us some pretty nice amounts of rain for later on Wednesday and Thursday. Not snow just yet. Here's that storm system as it comes in on tomorrow, and then here comes on Tuesday some showers entering western New York, especially early on and midday. Look out if you're leaving a little bit early from campus to get back home, especially going towards Buffalo, later on into Albany for our area. Okay, and here's tonight's forecast, 26 degrees, partly cloudy. And for tomorrow, what we're going to see, or Monday, we're going to see 44 degrees with mostly sunny skies. Again, a little bit chilly outside. But then here comes some showers. The clouds will start increasing, and a temperature of 35 degrees, late night chance of showers. It'll be towards daybreak that it occurs. And then for your Tuesday forecast, 45 degrees, and it's going to be scattered showers, hit and miss, nuisance, nothing too big, we think right now. For your extended day forecast, again, here are those showers. Wednesday and Thursday, we're getting into the heavier rain. And then what's going to be happening is for the weekend, we're going to be getting some cooler air coming into our region. And we're going to be seeing some possible lake effect snow here in Oswego. Most of us aren't going to be here, though. But we'll be seeing that when we come back on Sunday.
That's something to look forward to.
It's always nice to look forward to that when we come back to Oswego, right?
Yeah, definitely.
It's getting cool again, but it's happened before and then it got hot again. Is this going to stick around now, or is there...
I did take a look at some of the models for past this week. It does look like we'll be in a general cool pattern, but nothing that's real serious at this time. We might rebound a little bit, though.
Good, very good.